Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing the last week in the OTC markets and my outlook for the coming week. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ABML at 6 cents. ALPP at 7.5 cents. This month's big winner, GGII at 0.005 and HMBL at 0.027. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Enter for US and Canada, be 1 plus your area code and number. This is the fastest way to get our alerts, and many times we do also text-only alerts. So if we see something really exciting that we want to get out to our subscribers really fast, we send a text alert. So make sure you are signed up with your mobile, and it also works for all numbers, mobile numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code and then your number. Never begin the format with 00. It won't work. With that out of the way, let's dive in and look at some charts. All the stocks that we are going to talk about right now, I've covered on the site. First off is BPSR. Looking at the charts, I like the setup in that it's trading above the 20, the 50, and the 200-day moving average. It pulled right back to the 20-day moving average of 22 cents. Next week will be interesting. As long as this holds, we should get a nice bounce. DSMTF, this is a new copper play that we talked about last week. Where is it? 4 copper stocks to play the EV boom. We talked about Freeport-McMoRan, Southern Copper, ORRCF, and DSMTF. This is a new copper play. If you compare it to RCF, look at the run this copper stock has had over the last year from 20 cents to 282. Made a nice breakout on Friday. So, this is another example of, if you look for, what's happening in the macro picture. For instance, copper is making new highs, so you go looking for copper penny stocks to play the boom. Same with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin's running, you go looking for Bitcoin plays, Dogecoin, etc. So these are great ways to play. DSMTF, this one is just getting started, so keep your eye on this one. ENZC, this one is right now running into the 13 cent level. The 20-day is at 13 cents. The 200-day is right at just under 14 cents. But this one is based off the 10-cent level. This is one, there's a lot of catalysts that could really get this one going again. My analyst, Chris Sandberg, he's one of the top biotech analysts in the OTC markets. He is doing a deep dive on ENZC, which will be dropping this week. So if you're an ENZC big fan, make sure you go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you get alerted when Chris drops that new article. FORW, this is George Sharp's shell. There's a lot of things going on with Humble. He has resigned as an advisor. Humble has been a huge winner for Insider Financial last year. This year it's been a disappointment. George just resigned as an advisor for Humble. Not sure what the whole picture is there. Forwardly, FORW still owns warrants in Humble. But the reason that I'm bringing up FORW is a lot of people are talking about GVSI, where he's got custodianship. This one has already had the run. He's got to clean that up. But Forwardly is already pink current. It's good to go. Has some assets with the Humble warrants. This one, if you're looking to bank on George Sharp, I actually think FORW is the better play right now than GVSI. Let's see here. Oh, GGII. This has been the runner of last week. Congrats to our subscribers that got in under a penny. I wrote it up last weekend. Nickel, dime, quarter dollars. This came out on May 9th. You go over here and May 10th. Then very next day, it opened. Where did it open? It opened at 5 cents, right at the nickel, and then it ran to 16 cents. So we have a huge following, and whenever we put out these types of articles, it really can really drive a lot of interest in the stock. The new one that we're talking about is one that we've nailed in the past. We're now talking this weekend about RGBP. So new writer Jared Wesson, he did a deep dive on this on Friday. You're going to want to check that out. You go over to RGBP. This one, it ran last time when I said it was a big pharma player. This one got going, went through the penny, ran all the way to 8 cents, has pulled back here. It is trading above the 200-day and the, what is that? That's the 50-day. It's under the 20-day, but this one has found support right above the 50-day. So this one is definitely one you want to have on your radar screen for next week. And in the article, he discusses the difference between the common and the preferred. So you're definitely going to want to go in and do a deep dive on this article. So it's all there for your folks, and I will include a link in the description for everyone. RLFTF, this is one definitely want to keep on your radar screen as well. This is a COVID-19 treatment play. Talked about this one as well over the weekend. 4 undervalued OTC stocks set to boom. 4 stocks identified by Anatol Antonovici. One of our analysts is GAXY, GCAN, RLFTF, and WDLF. WDLF has been a great winner for us in the past. So this is definitely one that can get going. And you can see here it's held above the 200-day for the past few months. And big following on social media. So WDLF is certainly one that can get going. Speaking of crypto, getting a bounce here on BTC. The 200-day is right at just under 40,000. We're below the 20 and the 50-day. Crypto, in my opinion, right now looks weak. Elon Musk did not help BTC last week with his tweets that Tesla is no longer going to be accepting Bitcoin for Tesla cars. But they're fighting to defend the 45,000 level. We break there, we'll test the 40,000 levels. So Dogecoin, he's still a big fan of that, and this one's trading above the 20, the 50, and the 200-day. For penny stock players looking to play Doge, recommend SWRM. They're a Doge play, and it came right last week to the the penny level, which is right at the 200-day. 200-day is very, very critical when it comes to trading, investing, penny stocks, very important, the 200 days. So these are great levels to buy off of if they hold. So SWRM is a play on Doge that you're going to want to, if you're a big Doge fan and don't want to take the risk of going through the hassle of the wallet and holding Doge. If you're an OTC trader, you can just go and play SWRM. NWBO, this one is perking up, and we've covered this one. Our biotech analyst Chris Sandberg did a deep dive on this earlier this month, and what he's saying is that everything is setting up for data release June 4th to the 8th at the American Society of Clinical Oncology annual meeting. So I think this is what's happening right now, is we're getting some percolating excitement surrounding this upcoming meeting, which is less than 3 weeks away. So this has been a long process for those of you that know NWBO. But if the data is positive, and we think it is, this stock is really going to be off and running. So definitely go in and do a deep dive on what Chris had to say on NWBO. I really think you will like what you read there, and he goes after Adam Fierstein pretty hard there, and Adam has been the Night King of biotech. He is constantly attacking small cap biotech plays. So you definitely want to read what Chris has to say about Adam there. This week we're going to be talking in depth on HSSHF. This is a Bitcoin play. They've been buying Bitcoin miners, increasing their hash rate. If you go and look at the chart, this one is doubled in the last few days. We talked about this one earlier this week for subscribers only. So this is why it pays to be a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where you can get a look at stocks before we're gonna be covering them. So our subscribers are already in on a double on HSSHF, and we'll be doing a deep dive for our regular readers this week. So again, this is why it's so important that you are a subscriber to insiderfinancial.com, and this is where you get our emails and our text alerts. But we have been doing a lot of homework this weekend. We have a few things we're going to be alerting this week. We like the action in the OTC markets, a lot of opportunities, a lot of bottoming plays, also a lot of new plays that have yet to run. So we like the action in the market, and we're going to be updating our subscribers with a few alerts this week. So go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com, sign up with your email and also your mobile number so you don't miss any of our alerts. With that being said, wish everyone a wonderful weekend, and we'll be coming live to you Monday with a new video. Have a wonderful weekend and chat soon. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.